Oops! What's a brain fart? Understanding casual English. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a humorous and informal phrase that you might hear in casual English conversations: brain fart. This phrase can be confusing, but don't worry, we've all been there. And today, I'll explain what it means, how you can use it, and when you probably shouldn't. So, if you've ever paused mid-sentence, forgetting what to say next, you've experienced what we're talking about today. Let's clear the air on brain farts. A brain fart is a slang term used to describe a short lapse in memory or a moment of confusion. It's like a mental hiccup that can happen to anyone. The word fart might make you think of something silly or embarrassing, and that's the feeling this phrase captures. It's about those little mistakes that make you go, oops. It doesn't mean that you have a bad memory or that you're not smart. It just means that for a second, your brain didn't cooperate. You might use brain fart when you forget something simple, like a word or a name, or when you walk into a room and forget why you're there. It's often used in a self-deprecating way to make light of your own mistake. For example, you might say, "I just had a brain fart and forgot what I was about to say." It's okay to use this phrase with friends or in informal settings, but it's not suitable for formal situations. Let's look at some examples to see how brain fart fits into everyday language. I had a brain fart during the test and couldn't remember the capital of France. She had a brain fart and called her boyfriend by her ex's name. Talk about awkward. When I was asked for my password, I had a total brain fart and blanked out. It's important to understand that a brain fart is a temporary and often humorous situation. It's not the same as serious memory issues or learning difficulties. If someone is having frequent trouble that affects their daily life, it's not appropriate to refer to these as brain farts. The term brain fart is mostly used in American English, but English speakers around the world may be familiar with it thanks to movies, TV shows, and the internet. Different cultures have their own ways to describe this phenomenon, but the feeling is universal. That's a wrap on brain farts, everyone. I hope this video has cleared up any confusion and maybe even made you chuckle about the last time you had one. Remember, it's a common experience, and nothing to be embarrassed about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and keep learning.